It's a little red canary, and she's still has her chickie down. All red canaries take red food supplementation, just like flamingos do in Florida. They eat I guess one of the things is the keel, is that right? Little shrimps. And anyway, if you get one of these as a pet or just as something pretty, the males sing and the girls are just cute. We'll give you what the food supplementation we give them, and it's actually good for them. We can't give them too much, of course, too much of anything, but so she's still got, we think it's a she, we don't know. Still got quite a bit of the little chickie feathers, the little downy feathers. And we're just starting to train her. It's about at that stage. Okay, come on, come on. Come. From finger to finger. And canaries are different in the way you handle them than what's that called there? Right now she's liking the sparkles on the ring. But canaries like more of a freedom rather than being messed with. Kind of like you'd think a bird normally would do. They don't want to be petted a whole lot. I mean, she tolerates it, but I guess she does like a little. Yeah. You sweet girl. And she will, when she's on the floor, jump up on your hand. The kissing part. They like kiss on the side of your mouth. The cutest. You're such a good kisser. Yeah. Let's see. Pocket. They're not too keen on this, but if you kind of like stick them down in there. She's going like, okay, well, I had her in my pocket, but right now she doesn't want to, so I'm not going to make her. Oh. She's still young. Can you get your balance there, kiddo? Yeah. There you go. Anyway, they make really cool pets, and when they get older, they start developing the more beautiful feathers. Right now, they've just got this really cute downy stuff. Do you like that? I'm surprised. I mean, she's going, well, I don't know, it's okay, but I'm not real thrilled about it. Okay. Yeah. Oh, you good girl. Oh, you're so soft. Talk about soft. I mean, they're softer than cotton. You're such a sweet girl. Yeah. Come on, girl. Oh, good girl. Good girl. Let's try that again. Okay, step up. Step up. I think I have to get it so she doesn't have a choice of, there you go. Doesn't have much of a choice of which direction to hop in. And she does, after all, like to be petted. Usually canaries don't, but I guess every bird, like each canary, is a little different. And anyway, she doesn't mind being petted. So, yeah, you did real well today. You did well. Good girl. You're so cute. Such a good girl. Yes, you are.